Alright, in this video, we've now created the initial setup on the part. We've got the origin established, we've got the stock setup. Now, we need to get some tools into your tool library so that we actually have some things to work with. Up here, we have a tool library icon within the CAM system. Likely what's going to happen is your tool library is not going to be extensive and set up with the tools that are required for this project yet. What we're going to end up having to do is go into the Google Classroom site, or I'll provide another location to come up with this tooling. So any of these things, so if you're 6th period, you come here. Now I've created a post here that says Open 360. Follow my instructions to upload this tool library for the box project. What you're going to need to do is click on this. I'm going to download this, and I can't go into great detail on this video, but that is now going into, it's going to end up in our downloads folder, but we're not going to open it yet from here. We're going to come back into Fusion 360, and what we've got here is what's called a local. What it likely will look like in your screen is something like this, and if you've got a view that looks like this, you can come up and click on this icon, Show Library Tree, to see this. Now, Fusion 360 for some reason doesn't allow you to do cloud saves for the tool libraries yet, but I've already got these ones loaded in here. But what you can do then is click on the local. If you right click on the top level here, you're not going to get it. You're likely going to have one that says library, but somewhere down in here you could click on this and then do a new tool library. So I'm going to do demo library for mine. You can name it whatever you want. I've now created a new library. What you're going to do now is you're going to right click and do import tool library on that one. Now you've got to come and figure out, my downloads folder is here. You may have to go through some other steps. You can see I've downloaded this file multiple times now, but click on any one of these now. It's tool libraries is what it's looking for. TM2P box lower and upper tools. Click open. And now I've just imported this list of tools that I've already painstakingly made up for you guys, and we'll talk about how to add a specific tool type a little bit later, but for now we have our library installed and ready to go.